Alrighty guys, little update. Been driving, I don't know, about 40 odd minutes. Stopped into Katanning, topped up with a bit of fuel, and now I'm just winding my way to a little spot called Murdong Pools. Gonna go check out. It's about 10:30. It's probably a bit early to pull up camp, but we'll have a look anyway. Yeah, it's beautiful just driving through all these farmlands, the canola and stuff. Anyway, I'll grab the camera out when we get to Murdong Pools and see what it's like, eh? Alright guys, I stopped, I've had my smoko. This spot is amazing. I'm definitely coming back here. Murdong Pools. Remember that one. Check it out if you're out in Katanning Way. Anyway, I've decided, it's quite windy here and it's a bit early to pull up. It's only 11 o'clock or something. I'm going to start heading back towards home, but probably just towards the coast from here. There's a little spot on my maps I've got marked Oolong Crossing. I'm going to check that out. Yeah, just so I don't have a big drive. I'm going to be home early tomorrow, so I don't want a big drive. Yeah, that's the plan. We're going to start heading that way. Hopefully we can tuck in away from the wind, a bit more protected, and yeah, we'll go from there. We'll take you along. What is going on? We made it. Ewan's Crossing near Kelly Cup, something like that. You know I'm no good with names. How's this for a spot? Pretty bloody good. This will do me. It's probably, was it about 2? I want to pull up early. I've got about a 2-hour drive from here home, so it's not too bad. I'll get up nice and early, about 6. Cruise home. Yeah, it's pretty good. Pretty quiet. There's another camping spot further down. There was a few people down that way, but I've come back up this way. And yeah, I'll find out what river this is. I'll put it below when I find out. Anyway, I'm going to finish setting up, sit back and chill out. Yeah, anything exciting happens, I'll let you know. But otherwise, this is me. What's going on, guys? Sun's going down. I've got the fire going. I need some coals for dinner. We're going to do a bit of chicken on the Osprey basket. There's a couple of mozzies around too, so I'm hoping the smoke from the fire get rid of them. But what a chilled arvo I've had, eh? Just chilling, sitting here, a couple of YouTube vids, watching all the guys, cup of tea, just watching the birds, and this river's just so peaceful. And there's no one around. There's a couple of cars come past on the track there. We're not too far off the track, but have a go at it. What a spot. Anyway, I'm going to let these coals burn down. Probably have an early dinner. Like I said, I'm going to get out of here pretty early in the morning. Yeah, I'll show you what we're doing for dinner. And yeah, we'll go from there. I'm not sure if I'll end it tonight, or maybe there's a 2.5 hour drive. We've got to head back through Darkin. Heading that way, back towards Dwellingup, towards home. And yeah, I don't know. I'll decide. Anyway, I hope you guys have enjoyed this one. Like I said, it was a bit of a random one. Didn't really have a plan, but it's worked out alright. Pretty happy. Last night's camp was good. Tonight's camp's good. That's all you want. Nice chilled. Managed to stay away from all the crowds. It is a long weekend and school holidays, so I think I've done well. Anyway, I'm going to sit back, watch this fire, get these coals cranking. Alright guys, I think I'm going to wrap the video up here. I'm just finishing cooking dinner. The chicken. I want to put the camera away and just chill out. Crank the fire up, have my dinner. But thanks for coming along on this one. Bit of a random one. Some cracking campsites. Some great campsites for later on, for some more adventures. Yeah, just get out there, take that road. Go see where it goes. That's what it's all about. Really appreciate if you guys would hit that subscribe button. It really would help. We're trying to really get the subscriber numbers up, so we can get out, enjoy. It helps. We want to do a lot more adventures. We've got some big trips planned. We've got a big one at Christmas. We're going to head north. But anyway, yeah, hope you guys enjoyed this, and we'll see you on the next one, mate. Get out there and enjoy yourself. Cheers.